Hello, wonderful people. Here we are looking at our beautiful leaf, which is, of course, an organ for a maple tree in this case. So here we have a leaf that accepts sunlight into the leaf, and we'll talk about that more specifically later on. Carbon dioxide comes into the leaf through what we refer to as stomata. Water comes into the leaf from the root system, and it produces from those three things oxygen and glucose. Here's a cross-section look at that leaf, well, a different leaf, and here we can see that the leaf is actually quite a complicated organ. So here we have in the bottom side of the leaf usually, we have the stoma or stomata, plural, and around, so the stoma is basically a hole that allows gas to flow in. So it allows carbon dioxide to come in and it allows oxygen to leave. And then we have these guard cells that are guarding a stoma, but also being able to close it sometimes in some types of leaves. Then we have this epidermis and often have a cuticle on the outside protecting the cells. And we have an upper epidermis, same thing. Now, the upper epidermis often will have leaf hairs to protect it from predators, etc. And then we have the middle of the cell, and this is referred to as the mesophyll or mesophyll. And these cells have the chloroplast inside them. And inside the chloroplasts is the chlorophyll. That's where all of the action happens. So, like we said, we need both sunlight and carbon dioxide, but we also need water. And so these xylem bring water from the roots up to the leaves, and they are also capable of bringing back from the phloem, bring back to the rest of the cells all of the glucose that's provided by the photosynthesis. So here we have a chloroplast, the magic little organelle that does all of this amazing work. Remember that the chloroplast has two membranes. It has the outer membrane and the inner membrane, giving an inner membrane space. Inside the chloroplast is bathed with liquid referred to as the stroma, and inside the stroma are these little sacs or pancake-like looking things. Each of these little pancake-looking things are referred to as a thylakoid. Say it with me. Thylakoid. Good. Now, a stack of thylakoids is referred to as a granum. Okay, say it with me. Granum. Plural, grana. And in the interior of the chloroplast and the stroma are going to be the little chromosomes, because remember, chloroplasts have chromosomes, and the ribosomes to make the protein.